Engaging video content is must for today's independent musician. And in the music video world, or as an independent YouTuber or freelancer, though you usually don't have a team you can tap into whenever you need some shots for your next videos. So when video shooting is expensive and time consuming, stock footages may be your best idea. Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio, where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. You may not have realized that you can create your own music videos from the comfort of your computer. No videographer, no lighting equipment, no PAs or crew. With unlimited royalty-free stock video, you have the tools you really need to save yourself thousands of dollars, all while giving yourself ultimate creative control, and you get to work on your own timeline. Still don't believe us? Then this video is meant for you. In this particular video, I'll show you a few best sites that provide you high quality footage and can help you to make the perfect music video. So stay tuned. Create an outline, understand your track. In creating a music video, the first step is to become familiar with the track. Listen to it a few times and see if your mind goes somewhere visually that represents the tone of the track. Try to stay away from going too literal with the visuals, since it can come across as cheesy. Conceptualize a storyboard. Figuring out what visuals go with the different audios at certain times and outlining the whole video will save a ton of time. You just need a narrative element, even if it's simply a mood or overall tone, because that will carry the visuals. Editing and transitions between the cuts. Play around and experiment with the jump cuts, crows, wails, overlays and other transitions to find what best fits to your music and video narrative. Where do I get this video footage? I know, you might be asking this question. Using great quality moving image can help you to deliver your message. There are lots of 4K and HD footage that is free to use, and some that require a really small investment. Royalty-free footage has been cleared, which means you won't be breaching copyright. It doesn't mean you own the copyright. It means you have the license to use it according to the written guidelines of the particular footage. Storyblocks. The place where you can get the fantastic footage that is royalty-free and carries a price tag that range quite cheap. If you make videos for other people on a regular basis, this is a strong contender. Using stock footage saves video producers time and money. Cover 100% free stock videos from around the world. This covers snow-capped mountains, dazzling urban jungles, and abstract twinkling lights. Completely free for the personal and commercial use. Video. Some videos are free and some are premium. The word free is written over the select videos and the premium ones are watermarked. Mixture of free and premium clips can be used for the commercial and non-commercial purposes. Scroll to the footer of the website to read about the licensing. Any footage marked editorial use only may be used commercially. VDeezy. This site has a ton of free videos clips that are typically between 10 and 30 seconds long. Any that demand money are indicated as pro. You can use the film for the free. Pixabay. Most of the footage is of the great quality. Occasionally there are some that are a little below the par. When you click on a video, it will give you the information about the license and how you can use it. The videos on here are copyright free. A truly large database with thousands of clips for the commercial use. Pixel. Many professionals who are seeking for the movies and photographs turn to the Pixel, a database with clear images and a good structure. Videos that can be used without giving credit. PicWizard. Many options are both commercial and non-commercial use for the royalty-free stock footage. No credit is necessary. Check this program. I think it can be a great suited for you. Being said that, if you are a creator, musician, or anyone who want to make name into the content creation journey, do let us know if you know such great platform. We're happy to know and cover that too. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and you can check out the more videos on the channel. Till then, bye bye and happy creation.